Welcome to this video, which will talk you through how to access assessment materials on the Quality Delivery portal. Once you've logged into the service portal, you'll see the home page and the Submissions tab on the left-hand side. First of all, click on the Submissions tab. You'll then see the Search Submission screen. If you leave the fields empty and just click on the red Search button. In this example, we use the ESP, but all materials are accessed the same way. Scroll down to the ESP materials for the qualification you want, then click on the red text. This will then take you to the next screen where you need to click on the Evidence tab, which will take you to the ESP materials. Then click on the eye icon on the right-hand side as the materials are password protected and make a note of the password. Then click on the red text for the materials. And once prompted, click on the Open File when this shows in your Downloads list. You'd repeat the same process to access the Occupational Specialism materials by clicking on the relevant OS folder for the qualification on the Search Submission screen. Thank you for watching, and if you have any queries, please email us at the address on the screen, or alternatively, you can give us a call.